missed. That was some big, nice black booty. That, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. That looks like a straight up crackhead on the project. Well, this is the first day, New Year's Eve. I'm with the Real American. This is the last day of 2011. And we brought out the new camera. That's big booty right there. That's one of the weave. See that big ass?
Gotta be
damn.
Jelly. Gotta be jelly filled.
Boy, that's some big booty. But that weave is kicking. That's one of them $240 weaves on Jamaica Avenue.
Yep, that's not right here.
Yeah, that nappy-headed girl got serious weave. Yeah, that's right there. 40 Project Ghetto. Right now, how we doing? Yeah, I gotta get used to this new camera. Whoa, yeah, here I go. How you doing, baby? How you feeling? We going to the casino tonight. We gonna have fun. Hey, that right there. That's another weave on that one. Oh, that was Indian, huh?
Indian.
Okay, Indian. I checked that last. Now that's a weave. That's working with a weave.
Look to your left. Pow!
I see that.
Oh,
that's
it
not
ain't
big
tight.
enough for
It
me.
ain't
That's
right.
not big enough for me. That's not big enough for me, brother.
Hey, Phil.
That's not big enough for me.
Good things come in small packages.
No, I don't play that. No, that you got it, baby. I want something clean. I want with no package. I don't want no tail on it. Can't have no tail on it, brother.
I don't know about clean.
And right now, this is my new hunting ground. My new hunting ground is your cop. That's where I'm going. I think I'm going to get my new Ebonic Princess. Because I got a Mac 1, these sisters. And oh yeah, I wrote to Michael Baisman.
Okay.
I wrote to Michael Baisman, and I sent them like 10 videos.
Who was that, by the way?
Michael Baisman is the relationship coach. Black guy's got a radio show, and let's see, go. He's got a radio show. He's known nationally. Let's see if he's got the freaking guts to take the evidence and save his people. Which is the evidence that I got.
Can I make a prediction?
What?
Doubt it.
You doubt what?
Every brother out there trying to save his own skin. Nobody want to come to the defense of the downtrodden or the beat.
Michael Baisman, you better not let this white boy be right.
Don't let this white boy be right. Somebody better step up.
That's what I'm trying to get to him, man.
You got a people here whose voice needs to be heard. They need to be represented. The elected officials that's supposed to represent them
Didn't do a damn thing. They helped
not
cover
only
it
are
up,
they falling
retaliated
short
against me.
of the mark, they've abandoned the cause. Left the people to fend for themselves without representation. What's going on here? Is this America?
And I sacrificed my freaking life for this shit.
Go ahead, Phil. Tell them.
Well, I mean, damn, man. Look, Michael Baisman, let me help you here, man. New York City Housing Authority. You from Chicago. You from damn near the projects yourself, right? You said that. Now
You know the struggle.
time.
You know the struggle.
Let me help you here, man. New York City Housing Authority is redlining. Okay? They've got 3 veins. Alright? Remaining family members not getting an administrative process. Oh, that's a little sweetie right there. Oh, whoa! Hey! Yeah, brother. We hunting in the ghetto. We hunting in the ghetto, Michael Baisman.
Got distracted.
Yeah. Oh, why don't we make this the Salt and Pepper Team to Michael Baisman? That's the title for the show.
That works.
All right. 3 veins.
That's a piece of fried chicken just walked by. That was finger licking good.
Yo. Wait a minute. I'm starting to get black. I'm starting to get offended.
Girl ain't never put out a chicken like that. If he had that recipe, he'd still be alive.
Hello. Kentucky got a piece of that. The Colonel did. Yeah. Oh yeah. Guess what? All I need is a brain on some black booty, and then it'll be all right.
Alright, don't get distracted.
Okay. 3 veins that are eliminating people out of public housing. Public housing in New York City is closed. There's no more room. The only way you can get a turnover rate of 3.2%, which is 16,000 to 17,000 apartments, is by getting 5,000 people out through the remaining family member issue, which is retention. of people that's supposed to succeed in the apartment, but they won't let them because of the administrative process is totally out of whack. And that makes it in the hot. Bang! That's what I'm talking about. But she comes already pregnant. Ooh, yeah. Then we've got the second one. The second one is where New York City Housing Authority harvests the delinquency of the welfare tenants that their rent are paid by Human Resources. Human Resources don't pay the rent on time, so they write them a policy that after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 times, which is a year, that that you have late rent payments, then you're kicked out through the chronic late rent delinquency status. Then the third one is the Section 8, where they're moving apartments from the Housing Authority rent roll to Section 8, which is a form of privatization. We're talking about big time federal laws getting broken here, and I'm gonna write it in my book. So this is your offer, brother. This is your offer for you to do the right thing for your people.
No more levity.
I'm a Haitian, man. I think it's time I do something for my people. No, I'm 55 years old, a double nickel. I want to do something for myself by going to Canada and find me a cute white girl with good credit, because I don't think there's a black woman in America. It's not true, but I can sell that crap, which is, I'm so disenchanted, I don't think I've got the patience to find a black woman in America to go ahead and do the right thing, because Angela Davis ain't just too old. That's about the only one that's good enough. Disenchanted, man. Disenchanted with America. Why? I'm now broke, poor for the first time in my freaking life. I never knew it hurt so bad. I never knew it hurt so bad. I don't know how you got millions and tens of millions and tens and tens and tens of millions. Gotta be at least 35, 40 million poor black people in America, and they're not planning no escape north to Canada, a better country for black people.
God bless the man, he earned it.
Hey.
He worked hard, he earned it.
Now, that day was a fateful day for us, brother. That's a fateful day for us. I'm here sitting on top of the mountaintop. I'm here on top of the mountaintop, brother. Top of the mountaintop. Come on now. Help me out here, brother. Thank you. Bye-bye.